you can read this, then at this point in your life, you've definitely seen the ampersand sign. I mean, it's on books, movies, brand names, and even in the title of this video. But did you know it used to be part of the alphabet as the 27th letter? It even appeared in the alphabet way back in the 12th century and stayed a part of it until the mid-19th century. Oh, and this is the evolution of the ampersand sign, in case you were curious. So why exactly did we drop it? To understand that, we have to know why we even used it in the first place. It turns out that the ampersand was originally just called the and letter, as in the letter that stood for the word and. That might seem strange to some of us who only use the English alphabet, since each letter is its own thing, but if you think about it as a symbol, then it makes more sense. Plus, we're sort of already doing the same thing to certain letters and words when it comes to text speak. You can send someone with a text with these 3 letters and they will instantly recognize it as the words Y or U and then end up having an existential crisis. But you're probably wondering why the and symbol's name changed from and to ampersand. That's because of another little quirk we used to have when it came to the alphabet and letters. Now, since letters like A and I are technically both words and letters, to distinguish which we are talking about, we used to say per se, which is the Latin term meaning in itself. For example, if I wanted to talk about the letter I and make it clear that I wasn't talking about myself, I would actually say I per se I. When reciting the 27th letter of the alphabet in order to avoid confusion, people would actually say X, Y, Z, and per se N. The problem came when people rushed through the alphabet because, I mean, come on, the only time you ever recite the entire alphabet is when you're being tested on it and you just want to get it over with. So, rushing through the alphabet led people to pronounce the and per se and as ampersand, and the name just stuck because that's how language works. Enough people called something a different name for a long enough time and Merriam-Webster is just like, fine, and they officially added to the dictionary. That's actually how copy pasta became an official word in 2021. But some believe it wasn't just the societal changing of the ampersand that led to it being dropped from the alphabet. In 1835, music publisher Charles Bradley copyrighted the alphabet song using Mozart's melody of À vous dirai-je maman, better known as the melody from Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. In order to make the lyrics fit the melody, Charles Bradley had to drop the and per se and from the song, or he probably just had a serious hatred for symbols. Once the song became popular, and along with the ampersand gaining its new name, people just kind of dropped it from the alphabet and ignored it. And that's the full story of how the 27th letter of the alphabet was lost to time. So, what do you guys think? Comment down below, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.